Precious metals are getting absolutely crushed today as we speak. As I record this, gold is at $18.55, and that is down just about 5% on the day. And then silver right now is at $23.75 an ounce, and that's down just about 8% on the day. And so precious metals have been getting crushed today, along with the miners, as you might expect. And meanwhile, the markets, stocks like especially small caps, are just going off. They're rallying like crazy. Currently, the Russell 2000 is 1741, and that's up about just about 6% for the day. And so suffice it to say that we're seeing some crazy market action today. So what we're going to do in this video is look into why, what's causing it, and is now the time to exit precious metals? Is this a signal that things have changed and turned, or is this a buy the dip moment? Ready? Let's dive in. Welcome to Heresy Financial. My name is Joe Brown, and as you might expect, I'm currently looking at this drop in gold and silver as a buy the dip moment. And this probably doesn't come as a shock to you, but amidst a drop, when you encounter a drop of 5 to 8% in one day, it does cause you to question things. And so we need to put it into a little bit of perspective here. Last time gold was at this current price at $18.50 was 10 days ago. Not even 10 trading days ago, 10 actual days ago, on October 30th. So yes, this is a big drop in one day. No, it's not anything crazy when you zoom out a little bit and look at this from a larger perspective. We are still very much within the bull flag pattern that we've been creating. There was a false breakout, came back down within this trading range, and it would not be outside of my expectations at all if we saw gold even come down to 1800. That would probably be right where it meets up with this 200-day moving average. It would be at the lower bound of this range, hitting that lower trend line before we see a resumption of the rally here. Now, if you are part of my newsletter I send out every week, I send out an email with just a couple articles that I found valuable for that week. It's free. If you want to sign up, it's in the description below. But if you're a part of that, you saw this last Friday, I sent out a link to one of the articles that had a description of the current position of gold trading desks and how short they are, and they're still at record shorts. And so this looks like a last ditch opportunity before gold really starts going up again, strongly for the trading desks to exit their short positions, hammering that price down so they can flip out, buy back in. And so I don't expect this to continue much longer. I know I've been repeating that for a while, but the longer this pattern goes on, the more likely it is that this is the last time the gold price gets hammered down to this level and we see new highs at some point soon. Now, keep in mind, this is paired with the fact that the markets are rallying largely on vaccine news. We've seen many fake outs over the last few months from false vaccine news. Now, with the current political change that is going on, it's possible that this vaccine news actually sticks. But if it does, and there's no more political crisis that is causing the need for a lot of spending, which is driving a lot of the narrative on the recent gold bull market, then there will be some new crisis that will have to happen, or that will be invented, or that will be discussed about and made to look larger than it really is in order to justify the increased spending. Regardless of whether the current election results stick or in a couple of weeks they're turned over and we get a different election result, 2021 is going to see a lot of spending, and I would not be surprised at all if it outpaces 2020. And yes, markets are up on the Biden election results and on the vaccine news, but if the election is overturned and it turns out that Trump is going to be president for another 4 years, markets are probably going to rally on that as well. If you'd like this opportunity to buy gold or silver at a discount, use the link in the description below for OneGold. It's a really easy platform that allows you to purchase gold and silver extremely easily, and you can store it in allocated accounts in multiple private vaults around the world. It's an affiliate link, and so I'll get a small commission if you use my link, and you will get a free $5 for signing up through my link as well. As always, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.